Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring out the best in your wooden furniture. We're talking about the Vietlands Wood Wax, touted as one of the best beeswaxing furniture polishes on the market. The Vietlands Wood Wax is designed to clean, protect, and enhance the natural beauty of wooden surfaces. Whether it's your antique coffee table, kitchen cabinets, or even wooden toys, this product claims to do it all. It's made with a blend of natural beeswax and mineral oils, which not only add shine but also nourish the wood, preventing it from drying out and cracking. Using the Vietlands Wood Wax is straightforward. Ensure your wooden surface is clean and dry. Apply a thin layer of wax using a soft cloth or applicator pad, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, buff the surface with a clean cloth until you achieve the desired shine. In terms of performance, I've found that this wax does indeed bring out a noticeable shine and luster to my wooden furniture. It's especially effective on older pieces that have lost their sheen over time. The beeswax component seems to penetrate well, rejuvenating the wood and leaving a protective layer that repels dust and moisture. To wrap it up, the Vietlands Wood Wax lives up to its promise of being a top-notch furniture polish. It combines the best of natural ingredients with effective performance, making it a great choice for anyone looking to restore and protect their wooden furniture. If you're interested in trying it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. See you next time.